What is up, Crypto Crush trading community? Today we're going to cover what is the difference between buying and holding and leverage trading. So right now we're looking at one of the exchanges that we work with, BingX, and we have multiple options. So when we're looking at buying and holding, it's very simple. I go to my assets, and here I go to my spot account. Spot trading is usually buying and holding. Okay, the same goes to any other asset, any other stock. When I'm buying a stock, I'm buying and holding. When I'm buying a coin, I'm buying and holding. Okay, when I'm trading, I need to go to the market section. So there are multiple styles of trading. There's leverage trading and there's spot trading. Spot trading is the same exact value with the same exact capital. Leverage trading is I'm taking the capital that I'm trading with and I'm 10xing it, 20xing it, 500xing it, and the potential here is also higher, but the down potential, but the option to lose is also far greater. So the high risk, high reward ratio grows higher. I have more options to gain, but I have also more options to lose. So let's look at spot trading. In this case, we can click on spot and then look at, but the option to lose is also far greater. So the high risk, high reward ratio grows higher. I have more options to gain, but I have also more options to lose. So let's look at spot trading. In this case, we can click on spot and then look at BTC USDT, excuse me. So in this case, if I want to buy a few Bitcoins, I'm simply going to buy the amount that I want to go with. So in this case, I've got 2,210 USDT in my trading capital that I can use to buy Bitcoin. There are market orders, limits. If I put a limit and I'm clicking on buy, it means that I'm going to type in what is the price that I want to buy in. And once it reaches that price, only then the trade happens and I get to receive Bitcoins. If I'm going for a sell and I'm putting a sell limit, the same goes here. I have to put my selling amount. Where do I think that Bitcoin will drop from? So if I think that Bitcoin will go up, and then only from here it'll start dropping, then I want to put a limit order at 69,400 per Bitcoin. But that goes into trading. So when I'm starting to look at smaller time frames, I'm looking at trading. When I'm looking at buying and holding, I'm simply taking a market order, I'm placing a buy, I'm taking it with whatever amount. Let's say I want to buy it with $1,000 worth of Bitcoins. I click on buy and I receive $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. Once I sell it, I sell it. Until then, I'm buying and holding. In this case of trading, I'm going to put a limit, type in the amount. I might put a few orders, and then I'm also going to put a TP and an SL, take profit and a stop loss. Because we're talking about swing trading or day trading, and I might not be online, and it might go to my stop loss, hit it, and activate my risk management. Or it might take all the way up the trend that I wanted in that specific trade, and then I'll hit my take profit 1, 2, or 3. So that is the main difference between buying and holding and trading. Buying and holding is mainly done for the long term, and day trading is usually done in smaller time frames. You have more options, you can execute multiple orders. It can be a few days, it can be a few weeks, but we understand that at this point we're simply trading and we're going back to our stable coin or whatever coin or asset we're trading on in a smaller time frame. That is all, ladies and gentlemen. That is the basic difference between buying and holding for the long run and trading.